Hello, we are at Sydney Airport. We landed at 7 a.m. 7:45 now. Say hi, babe.
Bonjour.
We got a iced coffee from McDonald's, or Macca's as they like to call it here. And we are trying to kill some time because the zoo is not open yet. We're staying at a wildlife retreat. But it's pretty nice. Look. I don't know if you can see it over there. Guys, we found our first interesting Australian animal right there. Look. Oh my god, will it attack us? Hello, we are on the way to TARONGA Zoo, which is where we're staying for our first night. So we're gonna wait for this yellow bus. And look, we see the Sydney Opera House. Wow. Right now it is like 9:45-ish in the morning. There's a huge cruise ship. We have made it to our wildlife retreat at TARONGA Zoo. Right here. See the sign? Wildlife retreat. Okay.
Please explore the different fauna and flora.
Look, oh, this is like a wild play or something. I don't think this is for the animals. Look, babe.
What?
It's like a play thingy at the top.
That's for kids.
Oh, yeah, not for adults?
No.
That's like wild, like, you know, did you do a wild play in Vancouver, in Whistler?
Actually, you're right.
I've done something like this in Vancouver. It's really hard. It's really, really exhausting.
Really, well, like, how are we supposed to climb this? Okay. That is it. Oh, no, sorry, magpie. Oh, that magpie.
No, I don't think so. Babe, it's not injured.
It is.
It's not.
Oh, by the way, they're like assholes.
Guys, we have found our Thanksgiving or Christmas dinner. I hope it doesn't attack me.
It's a magpie.
Oh my god, look.
So, that's a turkey. That guy's a magpie.
Are you sure?
Yes, like look, it's straight
Oh
up.
yeah, it is. Okay.
It's like an ugly
Then why call it kookaburra? I'm pretty sure kookaburra is a four-legged animal.
Yeah, so the kookaburra is something else.
Look, mom's gonna freak out. Wow, look at this. So beautiful. You could just smell it in the air.
What is it? It's just a flower.
I don't know. We are looking for lunch. We found a place on Google Maps and now we're walking.
How about this one?
There.
Restaurant August, the old place.
Okay, we can check the pictures online. See if it's good. Wow. Oh, I wish I was dressed cute for this place. Yeah. I'm sad because I look so ugly right now. Wow.
Really good. We started eating. We couldn't even wait for the camera.
I know. So pretty. That. Amazing.
Very nice too, by the way.
Yeah? She's like, if we can't find a dinner spot, we'll come here tonight.
This is a terrible angle. But we got this semolina thing. Cake. It's so pretty. I'm gonna take the first bite. Mmm. Mmm.
Wow.
Mmm. It's super light. Moist.
Tastes like
Lemon?
flowers. Yeah.
No, it's not lemon, but it tastes lemony.
I'm a fan.
Maybe there is lemon in there. Super nice. With the frosting on the top. Super good. What that?
Yeah,
What
that one is dragon.
I think I also know, but I don't know. Ooh, juice bar.
That is where Celina used to work.
Look, there's a peacock right there. I don't know if you can see it. What else is there? Oh, there's just a little duck swimmer. Look at the peacock. You see it? Right now. Woo! So actually, I think we're gonna walk quite a bit. So we are at the wildlife sanctuary at the zoo. And we're gonna do a bunch of tours today. We're not there yet, but whoa, look at this. You could just from the hall, you just overlook this whole thing.
Imagine they put like
I don't see any animals,
here.
but yeah, I'm like trying
here to wake you up.
I hear. Oh, look, there's a little lizard down there. You can, right there. Oh, there's a koala. There's a koala.
Oh, there is a koala.
Oh my god. Koala, where is it? Right here. It's so cute. I can't zoom in, can I? So this is right outside our door. So if we walk up close, I don't see any animals right now. But okay, let's try and get it open. Ooh. Oh, nice space. Hello, it's me. Wow.
Fancy.
So cute. This is really cute. Oh, you can like see into the bathroom though.
You can see.
I like this little. I love when there's like a little seating in front of the bed.
Yeah.
Ooh, what? Can we see anything out here? I want to see another koala outside. How do you open this? Oh, can we see anything cool?
Ah, yes. You get to see those peeps.
I think something lives here, but I don't know what yet because I see there's some food down there. Okay, when we figure it out, we'll tell you, okay? We are back at the lounge area at the concierge, and we are waiting for the sanctuary tour. The sanctuary tour is for the hotel guests, and it's to the exclusive parts of the zoo where we can see these animals that the public does not have access to. So, we're starting. Okay, we're gonna. Wow. Thank you. Oh my God! What are those?
Porcupine.
Porcupine? You sure? You don't look like regular. Oh my God! So cool. What? Do you see more?
Actually, tell us. So balloon tape, so that's electrical tape that we put on them, so it doesn't affect them at all because their spikes are like carrot well. Their closest relative is the platypus.
Oh.
And you'll see right now he's eating what we like to refer to as a meat very conveniently. Stuffy face race. And you saw that he scratched himself in here, so they have that really long toenail that people ask if that's normal. Yeah, if we come over here, you can see one of our
There's one right behind you.
And there's one
A
there.
wallaby.
Oh my God. We're surrounded by
Lick it. Oh my God. It's so cool.
There's one right behind you, maybe.
right here, see? Yeah,
There's another one here.
the retreat.
Oh, there's a lizard.
Oh, you come over here, right?
In that little things. Nocturnal or something? There's so many sounds. I'm so mad.
If anyone wants to try and solve the patty melon riddle, So we were given 3 redneck paddy melons, which if you're from America in situations of stress like bushfire, flood, drought, they can just put those embryos on pause. So that embryo is like suspended in time. They can pause it for up to 11 months and then unpause it when conditions become better. Oh, here we have our broad-shell turtle. This is the boy. If you see the girl, she's actually much bigger.
Exciting news, everyone. The kangaroo came outside our bedroom. Here it is. Right there. Can you see it? It's hanging out. I think there's supposed to be 2, but I'm very happy with the one that we have. So look. Looks into the cage or the habitat. Wow. So cool. We found the other kangaroo.
Hey, Roo.
Can you see it?
Hey, Roo.
Oh my god, I can't believe there's a kangaroo right outside. So cool.
Hello.
Wait, we just heard an announcement saying Taronga Zoo is now closed. Wait, what? Oh my god, Mom would be so sad. So we heard an announcement that we just came out. Hey, there's another turkey thing. So we just came out to start exploring the zoo, and then we heard an announcement that said Taronga Zoo is now closed, and we just came out. So
Tell me you got ADHD without telling me you got ADHD.
yeah, no, we clearly didn't check when it closes, but luckily we're staying here. So we're just gonna walk around until someone notices us and kicks us out, and then we'll be like, oh sorry, and then we'll just head back to our hotel. Balls. I want to know your thoughts on what this looks like hanging from the tree. It looks like poop hanging from the tree, right? Isn't that so funny? I'm scared we're about to get in trouble. Gee, looking so majestic. There's giraffes over there. So cool.
Hello, Timon.
Hi, Daisy.
Timon.
No, not Timon.
Timon.
So cute. Oh my goodness. Who's so cute? Who's so cute? Little meerkats. Cute little meerkats.
Hello.
It's a capybara swimming. It's like a giant beaver and like a rat tail.
Quote unquote. Buenas poppin'.
What?
The buenas poppin'.
The buenas? Oh yeah. We're on the way to find dinner now. A little bit earlier than we wanted, but it's because
meat pies.
he wants meat pies. It's because the zoo closed on us the moment we got there, so might as well go eat now. And then we still have our night tour at 7:30. Oh yeah, never had one before. Guys, look, we got lemon chicken, fried rice, Greek salad, Caesar salad, and lamb. That's for fun. Where's the picture one again?
And folks, you might have noticed some of the animals' names that we have around the zoo. So a fair amount when we've got Australian animals, we give them place names.
Stay on the path, babe. Stay with the group. We're doing our night tour, but all the animals are sleeping. So we only saw a capybara so far, and the giraffes don't like rain. It was raining a little bit. So.
What you're looking at here, we didn't have lions at the zoo for some time while all this was being created, and now we've got 7. So we had a pair, and the pair had 5 babies. Yeah. So there was a bit of a bachelorette kind of situation.
Oh my god, what's all these I'm scared of spider webs. I'll stay a little bit further away. You see me? It's a little dark now.
Nice of you.
Guys, I got super close to a lion and we were only separated by a thin piece of glass. And I survived.
I'll take the rubbish out.
Oh, what's in here?
I think it's the chimpanzee.
Yeah. So have these like